Hello everyone. Today's breakfast was Rava Idli. So we would like to know how this Rava Idli was formed. MTR experimented the idli with rava, and when they had shortage of rice during the World War II, and they came up with the steamed fluffy idlis. That's how this Rava Idli was born. Let's start a little crunch by frying few cashew nuts. To the same oil, I'm adding little bit of channa dal and mustard seeds. Once the channa dal gets roasted and mustard seeds flutter, we'll add a little bit of ginger slices or pieces to it. Adding little curry leaves to it and roast everything. Then I'm adding a cup of rava. This rava is already roasted, but I just would like to roast a little more. Rava is roasted well now. We'll transfer it to another vessel. I'm adding 3/4 cup of curd to it and half a cup of buttermilk. Adding little salt and we'll mix everything well together. I'm adding little more buttermilk. You can add water also to get a smooth batter. We'll mix everything well together. Let it rest for 20 minutes. As the batter sits, it tends to thicken. So keep adding little water or buttermilk to bring it back to the right consistency. I'm adding the fried cashews and little bit of coriander leaves and we'll give it a good mix. As the batter is resting, we will prepare the curry. Now let us pressure cook the vegetable. I'm adding peas, carrot, potato and beans with a bit of turmeric and water. Also added a bit of salt to it. For the masala, I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut, 2 green chillies, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of saunf, small piece of cinnamon bark, 2-3 grains of cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of onions, little bit of mint and coriander leaves and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Grind all this to a fine paste. To a tawa, I am adding a tablespoon of oil and splatter some mustard seeds. Adding 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. Few curry leaves and ground masala. Give it all a good mix and saute well for 2 minutes. Then we will add finely chopped tomatoes and a bit of this masala water and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes till everything comes together beautifully. Check on the salt and add the salt as per your taste. Now we will add the cooked vegetables. Mix well everything together. I'm adding little masala water, maybe 1 cup. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, we will garnish with fresh coriander leaves and our vegetable sago is ready. If you know, a lot of people aren't a big fan of sagu, maybe because it is often served watery or bland. But when it is made with a good homemade masala, fresh coconut, and a nice tempering, it totally transforms. Try this way and see how it tastes. I'm adding a sachet of Eno to the batter. Just mix and we will pour it immediately into the mold before it loses its airiness. I'm sprinkling some grated carrot in the mold first as it adds a nice color. Then pour the rava batter right on top. You know why people love rava idli? It is instant, no soaking, no grinding or fermentation. It is great for lunch boxes or surprise guests. We will steam the idlis for about 10 to 12 minutes and that's it. Soft, fluffy rava idlis are ready. Also made a bit of coconut chutney for the dip. Let's plate them on the banana leaves for that beautiful aroma. And we will enjoy with vegetable sago and coconut chutney. The idlis were very soft and fluffy. Please follow these few tips for making perfect rava idli. Avoid very sour curd or buttermilk, it can overpower the taste. Use medium rava, sooji rava. I've used very thin rava, not the coarse one. Roast rava lightly in ghee. It can help avoid stickiness. And the resting time is very important, 15 to 20 minutes. It helps the rava absorb the moisture. Add eno or baking soda just before steaming and mix gently. After adding eno, steam the rava idli immediately. Enjoy the rava idli. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.